Christmas is slowly, fastly creeping up on us. So those of y'all out there that is experiencing some really cold weather, this drink that I'm fixing to make can be served hot or warm, or if you're in Key West, Florida, it can be served cold. So that's the plus about this one. And it's called a Cranberry-Pomegranate holiday punch. So I've got my pomegranate juice, and I've got my crystallized ginger that smells so good. I just love ginger, and sometimes it can be kind of hot, you know? Mm-hmm. That's good and sweet and sugary because it's crystallized. Now, this recipe, we're only making half because today is not really Christmas. And there's only the 3 of us to drink all this. So we're halving it. And we're gonna put this on like medium high, and we're gonna let it reduce by half. So that'll take a few minutes. And after that has reduced to half, we'll start adding the other good stuff that I've got to go in it. It's really holiday, isn't it? All these ingredients, the orange, the cinnamon sticks, the rosemary, the cranberry juice and the brown sugar. It all screams holiday to me.
Me too.
So we'll be right back as soon as it's reduced. I may have reduced this even a little more than like half, y'all, but I think it's good. It's gonna be nice and gingery. Now I'm putting my brown sugar in there, and I wanna just stir this until the sugar is melted and dissolved, and it's still, my pan's still pretty warm from it being reduced. Like I said, we just wanna make sure that's dissolved. And now we're gonna add our cranberry juice. I think that's dissolved pretty good. Sometimes your little brown sugar will kind of clump. So just want to make sure there's no brown sugar clumps. And I'm going to slowly add our cranberry juice. To make sure I get it all incorporated. Sure does smell good. All right. I think we're pretty safe now. Now I'm gonna put, this orange has been washed, and now I'm gonna put thin slices of orange in our pomegranate cranberry juice. It's a pretty orange. It's gonna be pretty in there. Okay, we're gonna refrigerate it for about an hour. Oh no, I'm supposed to refrigerate this overnight. Okay, this may be one of those times where we say, we chill this overnight in like 2 hours. So you know what? I may put this in the freezer, but I'm gonna refrigerate it for right now, and then I'm gonna move it to the freezer. But you know, it's really good that you can make it that far ahead, isn't it? This is such a pretty drink around the holidays, y'all, and tasty too. All right, I wanna make sure. Now I'm gonna sample this cold, but if you wanted to serve it warm, if your weather is just so so cold for you. Just warm this back up right there in that pot, and you can get toasty warm quick inside. Now I've got my cranberries. I'm just going to drop a few in there. I've got my cinnamon stick. And we want to get that cinnamon taste in there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Merry Christmas. What a beautiful drink to offer your family or your friends that drop in. No matter, like I said, Key West or Wisconsin, hot or cold, just as you prefer. And I think you could probably turn this into an adult beverage pretty quick and easy, couldn't you, Eddie?
Sure.
By adding just vodka. Rum. Gosh, it's so good. That is so good. I love what the candied ginger has done to this. Just took it to a whole different direction. And it's beautiful. Look down in there. Can you see the cinnamon stick and the oranges? And the rosemary. Just makes for a beautiful drink. And like I said, if you're just serving adults, put your poison in, whatever you want. Choose your poison. I like it just like this, so I'm not choosing poison. I don't like poison. Merry Christmas, y'all. Delicious. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.